In this video, we will learn why Engaged Hits video not credit in timebucks account after big update in October 2023. What is the main reason and how its 100% solution is possible? So subscribe my channel and press bell icon for all notification, because I keep make such video for you. So I log into my account and tell you why my video or count and added credit in my timebucks account. Click on 3 green lines on top left side. As I clicked on them, after that select the My Completion tab. Now check my 20 engaged hits videos which is added in my timebucks account. Let's get started to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And downside, you can see other tasks to be shown in this account. Now, go upside and click on 3 green lines and select Earn tab from downside. As I selected Earn tab. Now, I select Content tab. Now, select the Engage. When you select, it's look like that page. Now go downside. More down and a little more. And look here. Current per user daily earnings capital will be $0.1. What is mean by it? It mean the user of timebucks played engaged hits video earning will be $0.1. Current daily campaign spend capital is $250 per day, currently at 218.394. Today, what is mean by it? It mean the actual amount of money that has been spent on the campaign is $250, so, till on the current day campaign has spent $218.39. Timebucks users can play videos until $250 is reached. Once $250 is reached, a timebucks user's video will not be credit. So this is the main reason that many user face problem of not credit added in their accounts. If you understand the meaning of these two terms, then you will not have the problem of not having credit in your account. If the video plays, there will be credit, and if it doesn't play, it would not be credit in it. The second problem is when you play your videos, you do not delete the YouTube history and browser history, so that's why credit not added in your timebucks account. So delete YouTube and browser history before video playing and delete YouTube and browser history when half videos are played. As I deleted YouTube history in front of you, I play the video again to check are these completed or not. So I played and it showed the time. So take care when you playing engaged hits video. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.